Hey man, this song is great. We gotta turn this album cover into NFT.
Sounds cool, but what is NFT?
Alright, check this out. NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's like owning a unique digital item on the blockchain. Think of it like digital art, music, or even a tweet. Unlike regular money or Bitcoin, you can't just swap one NFT for another cause each one is one of a kind.
So, it's like owning a rare collectible, but online?
Exactly. Imagine you got a dope piece of digital art or a rare song. With NFTs, you got proof that you own it, and it's stored securely on the blockchain. It's like having a digital certificate of authenticity.
But why would someone pay big bucks for a digital item they can't even hold?
Good question, Jack. It's all about the value people see in it. Just like art collectors buy paintings or sports fans buy rare trading cards, digital collectors buy NFTs for their rarity and uniqueness. Plus, creators can earn royalties every time their NFT is resold. It's a game changer for artists and musicians like us.
That's dope, man. So, I can make and sell my own NFTs too?
Of course, you can create anything from music tracks, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, digital art, or even virtual real estate. The possibilities are endless, my dude.
Man, this is wild. I'm definitely gonna look into making some NFTs.
That's what's up, nephew. Welcome to the future of digital ownership. Now let's get back to making some hits.